Many of the units that we use today are named after famous scientists and mathematicians. For example, the meter, the kilogram, and the second. But have you ever wondered how these units came about? In this video, we'll be exploring the life of a brilliant French mathematician and physicist who lived during the late 18th century and early 19th century. He made significant contributions to our understanding of electrodynamics, laying the foundation for many of the electrical and technological advancements we enjoy today. You may be wondering, who was this mysterious scientist and why do we owe him so much? The answer is André-Marie Ampère, and his story is one worth telling. Ampère was born on January 20th, 1775, in the small town of Oloron-Sainte-Marie in southwestern France. From an early age, he displayed a keen interest in mathematics and physics. After completing his studies at the prestigious Royal Military Academy of France, he began teaching mathematics at a lyceum in his hometown. However, Ampère's true passion lay in research, and so he moved to Paris in 1799 to pursue his studies. It was in Paris that Ampère met some of the leading thinkers of the day, including Napoleon Bonaparte, who was then a general and on his way to becoming emperor. Impressed by Ampère's intellect, Napoleon appointed him to his staff, and this association proved to be a pivotal moment in Ampère's life. It was during this time that he met many influential people, including the physicist Charles de Brosses and the mathematician Pierre-Simon Laplace. They encouraged him to pursue his research in electromagnetism, an area that was then relatively unexplored. In 1802, Ampère published a memoir on the topic, and it was an immediate success. In it, he had investigated the relationship between electricity and magnetism, and had discovered some fundamental laws of electrodynamics. These included Ampère's force law, which describes how two current-carrying wires interact with each other, and Ampère's circuital law, which relates the magnetic field around a closed loop to the electric current passing through it. These discoveries established Ampère as one of the leading experts in electromagnetism and laid the foundation for the development of electrical technologies, such as motors and generators. However, Ampère's contributions to science did not end there. He continued to publish extensively on a wide range of topics, including the theory of heat and the principles of electroplating. In 1820, he published a comprehensive treatise on electricity and magnetism, which became known as the Ampère Circle. This work was a landmark achievement, providing a systematic and mathematical treatment of electrodynamics. It was translated into English and became known as the mathematical theory of electricity and magnetism, establishing Ampère's reputation as a brilliant scientist. But perhaps Ampère's greatest contribution was his development of the concept of electroplating. This process, also known as electroplating, involves the use of electricity to deposit a layer of metal onto another object. This discovery had far-reaching implications, particularly in the field of telegraphy, where it was used to coat metal wires with a thin layer of silver, improving their conductivity. In recognition of his outstanding contributions to science, André-Marie Ampère was elected to the prestigious French Academy of Sciences in 1804. He held several important positions, including serving as the director of the physical and mathematical section of the Academy from 1832 until his death in 1836. Sadly, André-Marie Ampère's brilliant career was cut short when he died of a stroke at the age of 61. But his legacy lives on. His discoveries and theories paved the way for many of the electrical technologies we rely on today, from motors and generators to electroplating and telegraphy. And his work continues to be studied and celebrated by scientists and mathematicians around the world. The impact of Ampère's work on the development of electrical technologies cannot be overstated. His discoveries laid the foundation for the development of the electric motor, which in turn led to the development of electric vehicles. Without Ampère's work, the automotive industry as we know it today would not exist. In addition to his contributions to science, Ampere was also a pioneer in the field of education. He was one of the first to advocate for the teaching of practical subjects, such as mathematics and physics in secondary schools. He believed that these subjects should be part of the curriculum, as they would help students develop critical thinking skills and prepare them for careers in science and technology. So the next time you use an electrical appliance or drive an electric vehicle, take a moment to appreciate the legacy of André-Marie Ampère and his contributions to our modern world. His work continues to shape our lives in countless ways, and his contributions to science and education will continue to inspire future generations of scientists and innovators. If you liked this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos about the amazing scientists who shaped our world. And if you have someone in mind whose story you'd like us to cover, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.